evening, class. This is Melanie Dean. Today, I would like to present to you my ideas about reliability and validity in research as I would present them to a child. So today, we're going to look at two big terms. Now, I want you to hang in here with me because they're kind of hard to understand and they can be sort of confusing. We'll talk about reliability and validity. First, we're going to talk about reliability. And the first thing I'm going to do is give you a big, scary definition of reliability. But don't worry, I'll explain it to you with an example. Reliability is consistency in performance or action. Basically, doing the same thing over and over again. Now, my daughter Zella is going to help us understand what reliability is. Now, I'm going to give Zella the ball. And when I say go, Zella, I want you to put the ball in the basket. In that basket. Go. 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 All right, thank you, Zella. So you can see that every time I told Zella go, she put the ball in the basket. So Zella reliably put the ball in the basket. Each time she put the ball in the basket and it went there, she was reliable. Now that you know about reliability, let's talk about that other big word. Remember I said we're going to learn about two words? This is the second one, and it is validity. Now, I really want you to put your thinking caps on because I had to study hard to make sure I understood what this word meant. So just like I did with reliability, I'm going to give you a big, scary definition for the word validity. Validity is the truthfulness or accuracy within the score of a test or an interpretation of an experiment. Mind blown, that's sort of scary. So hang in there, and I'm going to give you another example of what reliability is. I'm going to hold up some stuffed animals, and my answer to what the animal is will either be valid or correct, or invalid or incorrect. Now let's take a look at those words real quick, because the cool thing about the word validity is it comes from the word valid that basically means right. So what you want to watch for is to see if I have the right or valid answer to what the animal is. This is a black widow spider. Clearly, that's the wrong answer. I gave you an invalid answer, or a wrong answer. This is a stuffed puppy. The answer I just gave you is valid. It is correct. This is a little stuffed monkey. Incorrect. My answer was invalid. This is a stuffed horse. Clearly, this is a stuffed horse, so I've given a valid answer, a correct answer. This is a stuffed bunny. Clearly, I've given a valid or correct answer. This is an elephant. Clearly, that answer was invalid. I've given an incorrect answer. So you see, validity in research is simply accuracy, or how correct or how right a test is. So I hope if you ever grow up to become researchers, you will remember that very, very simply, reliability is consistency. It's doing the same thing repeatedly, and that validity is doing something correctly or having the right answer. Just like when I told you that this was a stuffed bunny and I was correct. That is validity, having the correct answer on a test. Thanks. I hope you have a great week, and I'd like to give special thanks to my daughter Zella, who helped me with the ball demonstration and who loaned me some of her loveys.